How to view replies on Trade app. The very first thing you want to do is to open your Trade application. If you are not already logged in, enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Now what you want to do is tap on the trade that you want to view and then open the trade in full view. You have to scroll all the way down in order to see the replies to the thread. Tons of replies will be visible to you. You need to keep scrolling in order to view more. Well, if you want to see the replies that you have made, then what you want to do is simply move into your profile at the bottom right corner. In here, you'll get to see two different categories. One is threads and the other is replies. All you want to do is move into replies. Well, in this section, you will be able to see all the replies that you have made and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to view replies on Trade application. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.